welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Leah, if you do not know, and today I am over the roof excited because I'm going to be showing you the stretches I do to get flexible. And I'm doing this video because a lot of you guys have been requesting this video, and I love stretching, so this is a perfect video for me. Ding! So I'm super excited to show you guys. I'm just going to be sticking on stretching my back and legs. I only stretched a little bit today, so I'm kind of actually stretching. So yeah, let's move on to the video. Alright guys, before I start stretching, I just want to say never force yourself into stretching because that could actually end up causing very bad injuries. That can maybe like pull a muscle or even break a bone, honestly. Never force yourself. Make sure you warm up, or at least like kind of actually little stretches before you start actual stretching. So never force yourself into stretching because that could actually kind of hurt. So yeah, I just want to put that out there. So I guess let's get stretching. So I'll start off with my back flexibility, and these are usually the stretches I do. So first, my favorite one is a seal stretch. So these are little instructions. You lay down on your stomach, then you put your hands up and try to climb your way up. Oh, my mom's recording me, so she's probably gonna be like, ooh, ooh.
Yeah, you're hurting me with those stretches.
You just have to like bend back as much as you can, maybe touch your legs to your forehead, but this is how far I could go. Never force yourself, remember that. Just hold this for 20 seconds, it's hard to talk. I'm not counting in my head, but you guys probably are. Okay, I bet that was 20 seconds, right? Okay, so now, since I kind of have like a stretchy, rubbery back, this is the other stretch I do. It's a bridge, and you just rock back and forth, kind of. You go like this, a bridge, and then try to get as close as your feet. Don't get too close, then you're gonna fall over, but then just try rocking. And the bottom of your legs. Ugh. It kind of stretches your shoulders too. Just do this maybe back and forth 10 times. Then when you're done, this is probably my second favorite one. It's, if you don't know how to do back bend, I might do another video on that. But back bends.
But this is not for the beginners.
True. Not for beginners. I might do another video on that. But I just like doing this, like grabbing onto my legs and like kind of stretching my back. That's technically the stretches I do. You could do that maybe every day to get a flexible back, at least for 2 months or one. It takes a really long time. It probably took like around 4 months to get like a flexible back and legs. So moving on to leg stretches, I'm super excited because I got a lot of skills with my legs during quarantine. First is a leg hold. I really like leg holds. They're super fun. Like I can even kind of stretch it out. I'm kind of bending my bottom leg, but also I got a split. I got that in around March or April. I don't remember, but I also got this. I can't actually grab my legs because I might fall over. I can do it against the wall though, so if you want to see that, then I can do it right now if you want. Yeah, let's do it right now. And if you want to get to this point, like back bend into with a split, I don't know if that made sense. I'm probably gonna make a tutorial on how to do this, or just keep stretching and you'll get splits and a back bend into your splits. So this is how it kind of looks like. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So yeah, I learned that too. And moving on to leg stretches. Okay, so probably the most classic is probably lunges. Yeah, that's what most people do. It's kind of like splits. Then if you want, just do that. If you want to get your splits, this is the perfect stretch. do it with both legs if you're a lefty or a righty. That's perfect. Just do it with both legs, maybe for 25 seconds, just to get that stretch. So. Then the second stretch is this thing. It's kind of like a lunge, but just with your leg down. It's technically the same thing. You can go down if you want. Maybe feel that like split position. Do it with the other leg if you want. And yeah, now I'm not sore anymore. Just keep stretching. Okay, so I really like this one. Oh, my hamper. Move to where you belong. So I usually stretch out my, I don't know what this part is. It's a hip, but like this part. I cannot do the middle splits. If I try, I usually go into the normal split. But just try, what is it called? A straddle. Then you go into the middle. It hurts. I used to be able to do it like without even hurting, but now it kind of hurts. Just go like that. Maybe crack your back. No, don't do that. But I don't know. Then go to the sides. Oh, I'm bad at this side. Hello. Yeah, but I just kind of wiggle my legs. So that's technically the leg stretches I do. I know this video is super short, but I still do have different stretches, but I can't remember them. I just usually like do the skills I know that I learned and like try to like, oversplit. I do that stretch all the time. Where can I do it? Do you have anything?
What do you need?
I'll just use a pillow. Okay. So, I'm just ruining my bed right now, but this is an oversplit if you don't know. It's just, this is an oversplit. No jeez. That's an oversplit. You just elevate your front leg and you just stretch it out. If you want, another stretch you can do is attempt your splits. If you don't know your splits, then you could try this like if you're in this position or in this position or even this position. Just try that and keep pushing, keep pushing. The biggest way to get your splits is to get pillows. I'll just use these right now. And attempt your splits on top of them. Oh, I can't balance. Attempt your splits and then keep removing them when you feel right. And then once you're done with that, then you have your splits. That's how I got my splits actually. I was a little sore the next day, but that's actually how I got my splits. I'm just gonna leave that for later. But there's one more for your legs and back. It's I forgot to show chin stands, but I'll do that next. That's seal stretch kind of. You do a seal stretch and then grab your legs and then pull them forward and that, just like this. Woo! Yeah, I really like that stretch. If you could balance more, I can't, then that's good because you could actually pull your legs all the way if you're flexible. Then my favorite, oh my gosh, my favorite flexibility move, I just don't show it a lot, is a chest stand. Oh, that was really bad. Okay, this is my favorite type of it. This or this. It's hard to talk, but I also like doing elbow handstands. Oh, I'm really bad at them.
Don't hurt yourself, please.
Yeah, don't do that. I just thought about one more. I keep saying, okay, it's the end of the video. I can't think of more, but I keep thinking of more off camera. So the one I'm thinking of is an arabesque, like, and you bend back. It stretches out your back and legs. I keep forgetting the word. But you can do this on a couch or a bed or even the floor. You just put your leg up high, your back leg in splits, and then kind of stretch it, and then bend back. If you want, you can actually tempt your needle if you have really flexible backs. Oh jeez, I'm really bad at the needle. I'm better against the wall. Alright guys, before attempting this, make sure you have flexible back and legs because you have to stretch before this, at least for 2 months, because that's how long it took me to get my needle or even a scorpion. So make sure to be careful. I don't want you guys going to the doctor during COVID because you could get seriously sick. So please don't hurt yourself while doing this. I'm not trying to make you guys hurt yourself, just make sure you don't. So this is how a needle looks like. You just grab your leg. I'm really bad at balancing it. Oh jeez. Yeah, probably my favorite like little naughty thing. It's like very not thingy, very. My mom literally is like, "Ooh, how'd you do that?" It's this. Ready? It's like. I think. Okay, I want to try my needle again. I'm really bad at it though. Ouch.
No, you're not.
What? Oh jeez, I'm stuck. Okay, I'll try that again. Okay.
Don't hurt yourself.
And don't hurt yourself. Make sure you feel like rubber before you attempt this. So, I guess that's the end of the video. I actually guess. I'm not sure, but if you have any stretches you like to do, just add those to the video or stretching video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did because I love helping people and I love flexibility and gymnastics. If you want like a gymnastics video, like maybe how to do a back handspring, maybe back tuck, or I can't do a back tuck, what am I doing? Just anything, then comment down below on Instagram or TikTok, not YouTube because they're disabled. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.